Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the nomenclature of amines and we have also discussed about the common name as well as the IUPAC nomenclature. And now in this topic we are going to talk about that is how we can prepare amines. So now in this topic we are going to talk about the methods of preparation of amines. So now let's get started. So friends, in this topic we are going to talk about the methods of preparation of amines. So for that we have a particular points of particular reactants from which we could easily prepare amines, and those are nothing but we can easily prepare amines from alkyl halide. And this process is basically known as amylolysis. And talking about the detail, that is what we are going to talk about in our next lecture. But for a while, let us understand the second step, that is we can easily prepare the amines from phthalimide. We can easily prepare from amides, as well as we can prepare from aldehydes and ketones. And by converting the aldehydes and ketones to their respective oximes and by reduction, we can easily prepare amines from that. And talking about the next one, that is from nitroalkanes. This is what we have did in our previous lecture also, that is reduction of nitroalkane. And by doing the reduction of nitroalkane, we can easily convert the nitro group into amine group, that is NH2 group. And now talking about the last one, that is we can easily prepare amines from alkyl cyanide. Even by doing the reduction process of the cyanide, then that cyanide, that is C triple bond N, that could be converted into CNH2. So by this basically we are going to prepare the amines, and this is what I'm going to talk about in my next lecture in a detail. And also we are going to talk about each of the reaction in separate lecture so that we could understand in a very better manner. So that's it. This is what I want to talk about, the methods of preparation of amines, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I will see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.